Hello, everyone, and welcome to 10 on Tuesday with your friends here at Interlace Communications. We're getting ready for the holidays, and this week we're going to be talking about how to schedule and how to get everything in place for your holiday marketing. With me is Casey, and she is our social media expert here at Interlace Communications. And we're going to, as we were talking about, what are we going to share with you? One of the tools we use on a regular basis with our clients is a tool that does scheduling on multiple platforms. It is called Hootsuite. And what we're going to show you is a little bit about Hootsuite. Do we want to do that first or talk? Yeah, let's go there first. Yeah, let's go to Hootsuite.
Because, we have the plan thing up.
Sure. We're going to show you what it's like. First of all, Hootsuite has a variety, as you're going to notice here, has a variety of plans that you can take advantage of. The free, I can't even read what, professional, the team, business, and enterprise. The one we use is free. Oh, sorry about the live stream ending. We didn't realize there was an interruption. So what we are doing is continuing the rest of the story. And what we'll do is go into Hootsuite and show you once again the plan so that you have that in front of us. And as we're just going to go back to where we started talking about Hootsuite, okay? Sure. And this happens in live streaming. So with that, Hootsuite, as we mentioned, is a tool that we use for our clients, and it can be for ourselves as well, where we can schedule for multiple accounts. So I'll let you recap that and talk about that.
Okay, so we use the free version for all of our customers that we do social media posting for. With the free version, obviously there are going to be a few restrictions. The social media profiles, you can only have 3 connected to your account. So what that means is if you want your post to go to both your Facebook business and your Facebook personal, those are 2 social media accounts already. So there are ways to, as I had said, there are ways to schedule to more than 1 or more than 3. I have done it for customers, so if you're interested in that, we can discuss at a later date. They also only allow 30 scheduled messages at any given time. So when you have 3 social media profiles and you're scheduling the same message to all 3 of those are 3 different messages. So of your 30, there goes 3 of them. So you can pretty much schedule, if you want to do, 1 a week, you can schedule for 10 weeks. Obviously, you're going to want to schedule more, but that just is an example. You just have to make sure that you stay within the 30 messages. They will stop you and say that you've reached your max and try to get you to bump up, because as you can see with the other ones, they're unlimited, but we find that the free version works very well for our customers.
Okay, so if I have a LinkedIn account.
So with LinkedIn and Instagram and Twitter and all of those, you can't schedule posts directly on those platforms. Right. Facebook is the only social media platform that we use that you can schedule the post directly on the platform. So if you're looking to just post within Facebook, which we have customers who do that, we just post right in within their Facebook account. You can, for LinkedIn or Instagram, if you're looking to just post to those, or like I said, if you want to post to several at one shot, Hootsuite works. But you can't. Hootsuite is where I would suggest going to post to, just LinkedIn or just Instagram. You can, for Instagram, post to both Instagram and Facebook from the Instagram app. You just can't schedule from there. And within Hootsuite, in order to schedule on Instagram, you have to have a photo included. They will not schedule the post until there is a photo attached to it.
Right.
So you just need to make sure that if you're doing a post to Instagram, that you have a photo included.
Okay. That's great. Let's see. Want to make sure we have discussed everything. Should you schedule for all 10 weeks? I'm going to say 10 weeks. 10 weeks for the holidays and post-holidays.
So I would recommend, if you're going to schedule out that far in advance, you want to, for the holidays, you can schedule, if you have, what your specials are going to be for each week, you can schedule those. Or if you have a featured product that you want to do, you can schedule those.
Yeah.
You obviously want to be careful if you're working around weather, because the weather can change daily. So you don't want to schedule out for those, for something like that. But you can schedule for the holidays and post holidays if it's just basic type of posts.
We mentioned about the weather, because it used to be that Hootsuite was a little bit different when we first started using it. It allowed 5 social media platforms. It allowed unlimited posts. And we used to just post for months at a time for our clients. A month.
Schedule
for our
for
clients.
a month.
And we'd schedule. And we had a really, really bad hailstorm one time in our area, and the post going out for an insurance company the following day was about it being sunny and happy, and it was not a really good post. So we realized maybe we should shorten our scheduling, especially for weather-related type of posts. So keep in mind the type of posts that you're planning to schedule out. If they're products and nothing's going to change about the product from one time to another, you're safe. But make sure to be careful about what that post is about. Definitely.
Yeah. So. And something I did forget to mention with Hootsuite, if you are using Instagram on Hootsuite, it has to be a business account. When you go through the process of adding Instagram to Hootsuite, they will stop you if it's not a business account. And it's fairly easy to turn an Instagram account into a business account. If you need help, just reach out and I will be happy to assist.
Yes, great
on that.
One of the things is that to post to Instagram, you need to do it with the app, right?
Yeah, you can. For Instagram, you can view it on a computer. You can post videos to Instagram from a computer. But to do any type of posting, any type of interacting, it has to be through the Instagram app on your phone.
But with Hootsuite, you can do the Instagram posts right on your desktop, laptop, no problem, but you can't interact from there. No. You got to do it on the app. Okay. So those are all good recommendations that we can share with you. What we'd like to do is show you what we provided this week for you as 2 tools, actually, that we're going to be sharing with you. One is called the Creative Assets Help Book, and it's loaded with information on how to create content, not only written content, but also very appealing images, ones where you can add content to text to the images. Along with that is a list of all the sizes of the images that you're going to use on the different platforms, as well as information on scheduling for the holidays or any days, really. So part of our download this week is, it's actually two-part. One part is the help book, and all you have to do is, Casey's showing you, is click on the link. You have to log in, so just fill in the information for your name and email and such, and click on It's Yours Free. And what will happen is you'll come over, and this is not limited in the downloads. You're going to be seeing that we have the two creative assets, a help book and a holiday marketing worksheet. And the holiday marketing worksheet, she's taking us to that as well. Want to make sure of it. The holiday is something that I created for our trainings that we do at the Reading Area Community College. This has 10 weeks for scheduling. It allows you to pick and choose and eliminate the media platforms that you do not use. It provides you a column for hashtags and what type of post types you're going to have for it. Just gets you the information in place. The content area is, and I'm gonna do another video that's going to show how to use this, because we use Google Drive, and I've created for our November activities a folder on Google Drive that holds the content. And from here, I can actually make a hyperlink and put it right into the content column. So it's really, really cool. I encourage you to take advantage of downloading all of what we have for you this week. Take advantage of Hootsuite. And also the tool that we're going to be sharing with you this week is called Pixabay. And Pixabay is a really cool website that has royalty-free images on it. The first row that you'll see on there is from Shutterstock, and Shutterstock is the sponsor for Pixabay. So you can buy from Shutterstock, but also take advantage of the free downloads. On the front of this week's download value that we have, I actually have the credit and the information about the artist who created the front page, as well as a link to Pixabay. So we'll be including that in our 10 on Tuesday Facebook page for you to be able to get to Hootsuite as well as Pixabay. Next week, we're going to be sharing with you ways to pay for online advertising and sharing with you several platforms that are available. A really cool platform that's fairly new, and you can, if you're right along a main highway, well, even back road, you can take advantage of this platform that I'm going to share. So that's all I'm going to say for this week. And thank you very much for being part of 10 on Tuesday, getting ready for the holidays and scheduling your creative assets. Thank you very much. See you next week.